G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's January 25th, 2024. This is the Bitcoin price analysis. We're also looking at some ETFs including BITI, MARA, and RIOT, R-I-O-T. Now notice the trend is medium-term bearish and we have a divergence that's been hit. So first looking at the price for Bitcoin, we do have the weekly, daily and hourly for those new to the channel. On the weekly, we've got the CCI 400 still in a bullish momentum. So longer term, it's somewhat bullish. The CCI 150, our divergence indicator, is trending in line with the price. So there's no divergence at the moment to talk of. We did have a couple of divergences. You can see that back there where the CCI was dropping versus higher highs on the price. And they eventually both fell off significantly. On the daily, we also have a bearish momentum on our CCI 400. And we do have a bearish divergence on the CCI 150, and these divergences are independent from each other. And basically we've got higher highs on the price, and you can see there it's fallen off, hit our target between the 23 and the 38% level. That's a minimum. Now it could bounce from there, but we've got to be careful it doesn't fall through there, and actually if it does fall below the 61%, then we're possibly going to see a reversal of this medium-term trend to the upside, but at the moment it's somewhat bearish, I would say, based on the CCI 400. There's no sign of a pullback or a bounce from there at the moment. On the hourly, we had a few divergences. You can go back and I've kept those rectangles there for history purposes. Let me just delete that. Those rectangles are just there for history purposes where they've been hit. And more recently, we see we had a couple of divergences here, and now we've got another bullish divergence. It's actually hit that target area of the 23-38% level. The hourly CCI 400 is broken to the upside, so somewhat slightly bullish on the hourly. And again, it's in line with this bullish divergence on the CCI 150. Now, of course, you can see that it's bouncing to the downside after hitting that target, and it may continue up, possibly, or it may actually fall off from there. But we'll keep an eye on it and see how it goes. But at the moment, I'd suggest it's a medium to short term bearish, longer term it's bullish, so just be mindful of that as we're moving ahead with all these. Next on the list, we're going to look at ProShares Short Bitcoin Strategy ETF. That's the BITI ETF. You can see there's not much, the indicator is not really showing on the weekly, so it's hard to say what it's doing there, but you can see there from the price alone it's looking pretty bearish. The daily as well is broken up and it's giving us a bullish divergence. So if I blow that up, you can see there the CCI is moving to the upside. The price is broken to the downside, and it's broken up, hit our target in at 23-38% level. Again, no sign yet of a reversal to the downside. That can continue further to the high. Again, if it breaks through that 61%, just be mindful it could reverse this trend more to the upside. On the hourly, we did have a bullish divergence down here versus the price, bounced up, hit our target area. That also aligns with this CCI 400 also moving to the upside. No real big pullback yet on the CCI 150 for a reversal. So again, you can see there it's gone and bounced off that 61% of that Fibonacci range. And if it breaks through there, we're going to see a reversal more to the upside on this one. Next, we've got Marathon Digital Holdings. That's MARA. Okay, bullish on the weekly. The price on the CCI is moving in line with the CCI 150, and the daily has broken below its moving average, so that's a bearish outlook. The CCI 150 is moving in line with the price, no sign of a reversal yet. And on the hourly, you can see there the CCI 400 is still in a downtrend. The CCI 150 had a bearish divergence here versus the price. It broke down, hit our target, and it's actually broken below the 61%. Now it's currently hovering around that 61% level. It hasn't really made a breakout yet. It could go either way, but at the moment it's not a divergence, but there is a slight possibility it could go higher with the CCI 150 breaking more to the upside. But to be more positive, we want to see it actually reverse and actually break these highs previously. Next on the list, we've got RIOT Blockchain, RIOT. Again, there's not much showing on the weekly. No divergence on the CCI 150. The CCI 400 on a daily is broken to the downside quite strongly. Likewise, the CCI 150, no sign of reversal. You can see there it's coming back down to these lows we previously held. And on the hourly chart, you can see there more closely, we had a bullish divergence here versus the price. It actually bounced, hasn't hit our target yet, and it's going sideways since then. The 150 is still trending to the upside. The CCI 400 is still trending down, so it's giving us a mixed signal here. This could also go either way. So that, and again, we had a bearish divergence here. It came down and hit our target previously. So that's just some economic outlook in terms of Bitcoin and the crypto. Just be mindful, demand and adoption is gaining strength with institutional interest remaining strong, and investment from hedge funds and asset managers. BlackRock's also basically cornered the market in some ways with Bitcoin adoption. Technological advancements, including Taproot upgrades and Lightning Network development. We've got regulatory landscape, evolving regulations globally, with some countries offering clarity and others remaining cautious, and macroeconomic conditions, rising inflation and potential interest rate hikes by central banks could impact the risk assets like Bitcoin. Current considerations should be noted also. Volatility remains, while recent stability. Volatility is inherent in the crypto market. The regulation, obviously, from various economies could impact Bitcoin's future. Institutional influence, growing institutional involvement could bring stability and drive demand, but also potential manipulation risks. And technological advance, as we said, ongoing development of scalability solutions and new use cases may enhance Bitcoin's long-term viability. Just some of the data sources we researched, and for you to further research should you wish to. So again, just be mindful, we've got a medium-term bearish but long-term bullish on the Bitcoin market. There is a couple of divergences that have been hit more recently. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.